Welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we'll be discussing about how to apply for University of Siena International Excellence Scholarship. This is fully funded master's degree for international students in Italy. We'll show the full process for this, how do we apply, and this scholarship is renewable for another years. So we'll show the full process for this. Before that, let me remind you to subscribe YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this scholarship in Italy is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective descriptions. Also in the upper section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or kashmirlook.com. And once you visit our website fullscholarships.net, you can apply for this particular opportunity. Here are some details about this scholarship, and it's hosted in Italy at University of Siena. Degree level you can complete is a master's. Financial benefit will be 6,000 euros per year, and it will be granted each year. Instruction language of the course will be English, and the deadline is 6th of May 2026. So you have to apply before the deadline, and no IELTS is required strictly. And for this masters, you can choose economics and law, political, international, social, or cognitive sciences, biomedical or medical sciences, maths and experimental sciences. So any subject you wish, you can opt for that. Now, to be eligible for this scholarship, you should not be holding dual citizenship, and you should not be an Italian citizen. So rest you can apply. And how do you apply? So first you have to select your course, access the portal, upload documents, pay any application fee. There's just a minimum 10 euros of application fee. They have kept very minimal application fee here, so you can just submit the application after paying that. So in order to start the application, click on this link to apply. Now once you click on that, you can see the official website, and all details regarding the application is given here, and every detail, anything you have in question, you can ask us in the comment section. Now in order to start application, you can see application submission. So you can apply through this portal here, or you can directly click on this, and you can see it will take you to the official Siena International Excellence Scholarship website here. And for the first time users, if you are for the first time here, click on sign in or register. Now here you can use Gmail, Facebook, or LinkedIn to log in. So I'll use my Google to log in. So let me wait for that. I have successfully logged into the dashboard here. And now let me go to this find programs here. First we need to have the program. Click on only show the programs I can apply. Untick Italian and just keep English. Click on find programs. You can see different programs here. And this scholarship is for master's degree. So you just choose the master's here. So you can see taught in English, full-time course, and foundation courses, master's degree. So you can see applied mathematics masters. For example, I'll go with this AI and automation engineering masters. So click on this apply now here. Now once you click on that, you can see pick your application category and non-EU citizen. So we have to select this one here. Now you have to prioritize your course. You can add multiple courses, but I'll just keep one here. Now go to profile section and enter your first name, last name, then your passport number. Everything should be as per the details in your passport, expiry date, everything you should mention regarding that. So I'll just mention the details here. You'll also receive email once you start application. Select your gender, citizenship, your date of birth. This should be same as in the mentioned in the passport. Now country of birth, place of birth. So mention that, then full name, then upload a photograph here. So photograph is required here. Just select that. Then now go to the next, that is the contact section. Enter the email address and your home address, then your country, and emergency contact details and phone number. Select the country code first, and then emergency contact details and email. Then telephone, you can add relatives telephone here. Else click on education, then level of education uh, you wish to submit. So we're applying for masters. I'll just enter my bachelor's degree here, enter the university name and program you have completed, and then status of studies, finished, year of graduation, and mention the nominal program length. So duration of the course 4 years, country where you completed, mention that here, city in which institution was located, and study language. Here you have to mention the language of medium as instruction English. Then CGPA 9, you can add another course here, and normalized GPA. Type of institution, you can mention that here. Minimum average grade possible, you have to mention that here, and maximum. Then go to the next section, that's language here. Choose a native language, and proficiency, select that. Italian proficiency, we don't have any, we'll just mention none. Then go to employment. If you have, you can add that, else go to documents. No documents as of now uploaded, but we'll upload them soon. Click on checklist other. Then how did you heard about this? You can just mention a website. Now you have to upload one by one these documents. First, admission identification documents you have to select. So attach your document here. So we'll mention that here. Done. And close this one here. Then transcripts one by one. We'll upload. Agree and close this one. Then CV. So you upload that here. Upload it and close. Then English proficiency. I completed my studies in English. Now we'll upload medium of instruction certificate here. I'll just keep it here and complete this. Close this. Then admission citizenship category. You can see I declare that I am in EU. I declare that whatever is suitable for you. I am a non-EU member. I'll just mention that here and close it. You can see everything is done almost. Go to signature section and mention your signature here, or you can sign in with phone as well. We done this. So we're ready to submit. So let's click on submit. You have payment pending that's blocking you from submitting the application. So go to finances here. You can see view application, and you can see the application is here. For non-EU citizens, there's an application fee of $49. Earlier they mentioned 10, so go to finances here. So let's click on this payment here and pay with the card, complete details and submit this. Once you pay the fee, it will clear here and you can go to my applications here and then click edit application and simply submit it here. So that's the simple process. You submit application after paying fee. If you have any messages, you can check them here. They'll send you the messages. Proficiency requirement, if there's any invoices, they will create. So every message will be there. Similarly, it will be on your email as well. So let me show you the email. There you go. Your invoices for the application fee, English proficiency, everything is here. So that's the simple process. Application fee is required here. As I clearly mentioned in the start of the application video, you have to pay that. For bachelor's is $10, for master's it is $49, and for non-EU it is $49 actually. So that's the simple process for the Italy scholarship. I hope you enjoyed the session. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.